All right, guys, this video is going to fire up your booty. So a quick 10 minutes just for your bottom. You're also gonna feel a little bit of your hamstrings, a little bit of your lower back. You might feel a little bit of your quads, but we're gonna stay low to the ground, all right? So if you have some knee stuff going on or some hip stuff, this should feel good for you. All right, we're gonna start laying on our backs, so go ahead and lay down. Bend your knees, place your feet down, relax the backs of the shoulders down, and then gently raise the pelvis up, shoulders underneath, and then slowly just lower the hips and then press them back into the air. I want you to feel the whole foot flat as this happens. So as your hips are moving up and down, you're starting to ignite your glutes and your hamstrings. You should feel some work right up here in the front. But as you press through your feet, I want you to notice if you can kind of press your hips up just a little bit higher each time, all right? So just push and lower, and then push up and lower. And let's do 4 more of those. So we're just warming up the glutes. 1, 2, last 2 right here. And then good, 3. Now raise your hips up. You're just gonna kind of do a march. So pull your knees into your belly and march. Good, so if your knees hurt doing this, you can just stay in that lift. Otherwise, this glute march, you should really start to feel the fire in your booty as we pull our knees in. And I'm sore, so I feel this a lot right now. Let's just do the right side for 8, 7. Notice my left hip is lifted. Good. For 4, 3. Pull that knee in. 2. 1 more. And then switch sides. Keep your hips up and switch. Good. Tap and hug. Tap and hug. Tap and hug. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. And then both feet down, start to push up and down for 4. Just kind of reset the hips. Last one, and up. Good. From there, we're gonna lay over onto our belly. So just kind of flip over with me. And you're gonna cross your forearms. Watch first before you put your head down. I'm gonna bend my knees so my knees separate and my feet come together, okay? From there, I'm gonna lay my forehead down and I'm just gonna push straight up. Push. Push. So this really activates the tailbone so that as I lift my knees and quads up, I really feel the effort. Now, if you want to, you can keep your head up, but that puts more pressure on your neck, so it's totally up to you. For 4, 3, 2, 1 more, legs out long. Keep your head in the same spot, bring the hips together, tops of the feet down, and then slowly just lift left and right. Take your time here. 2 more each side. And then from here, we're just gonna raise our legs up and we're gonna kind of flutter. So flutter your legs, start to work into the hamstrings, feel your booty. Good, notice your body strength here for 3. Keep on moving. 2, as you feel the back of your hammies. And then on 1, we're gonna go over and under. Good, so again, head can be down or you can gaze slightly forward, it's totally up to you. For 4, over and under. 3, 2, and then back to where we started. Bend the knees, feet together, head down if you want. Push, push, push. So there should be some fire starting in the glutes. You should feel this in your low back. For 4, 3, 2, we're gonna lay those legs down on 1. Tops of the feet down, and then lift, lift, lift. Just alternate here. For 4, alternate. 3, lift. 2, lift. 1 more each side, lift and lift. Pick them up and then flutter. Good. Just start to feel that space here right in the back starting to get tender, and then feel your glutes. It's all connected. For 4, 3, over and under, and 2, and go over under for 4. Keep going, guys. 3, 2, and then lay your head down. Just lift and lower. Lift and lower. So again, lots of fire should be occurring here. For 4, 3, keep lifting. 2, back to where we started. Bend those knees, plant the feet, push up, push up, push up. Now this time, take those fingertips, a little bit of a back bend. Push, push. Good job. 4, 3, 2 more. And then again, lay flat, extend the legs, bring the pelvis so that it lowers to the ground. Lift. Single leg. Lift, lift, lift. We're going to stick with that right leg only for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch to your opposite leg. 8, 7, 6, feel that hamstring. You got it. Lift, lift for 4, 3, 2, both legs up, up, up. I'm sure you're burning. 4, 3, 2, hold it up for me, and then scissor. Good job. Up and down, just kind of swim, and then you should again feel the fire. Heart rate should be up. 4, 3, 2, over and under. Last time, I promise. 8, 7, 6, keep going. Over, under, engage all the way through the toes. 3, 2, and then 1. You're gonna release your legs. Turn on your side so that you face me. All right, you're halfway there. And you're gonna lower so that you're either kind of propped up here, or I kind of prefer to be here. Pull your knees in so that they align with your pelvis, and you're gonna raise your feet. Feet are together. From there, open. Opens. These are your clamshells, okay? So that as you start to do this, you're gonna feel right here. Now, what I don't want you to do is roll away from the camel. You're gonna stay forward. So just gonna open, open. Keep those feet together. Feel the burn. Good. We have 25 more, okay? So just keep moving. And then I just want you to feel your effort. 20 left. Good. So again, find that fire right here on the outside of the hip. Notice where it's challenging. These are super healthy to keep your glutes strong and stable, all right, because they get all different kinds of muscles. Last 5, 4, 3, you could do 100 of these if you wanted to, and then on 1, you're gonna keep that bottom knee bent, extend your top leg out, and bring it slightly forward. So back and forward, back and forward. Again, let it burn for 4, 3, 2, hold it there, and then all the way up, all the way down. Good. Now it should really be burning right here, and you should notice the effort of your core to stabilize the outside of your hips and your butt. For 8, 7, 6, we're gonna circle it in 4, 3, 2, ready for those circles backwards. 4, make them big. 3, 2, this should burn. 1, go forward. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. So you can roll away from me, but I'm just gonna rotate so that you're facing me, okay? So I'm gonna shift to my second side, pull my knees in, line them up, prop myself up. Again, I like to be here. You can be wherever you want. Pick up your feet and then lift and lower. Good. Up and down. So as those hips roll forward, you should feel your body still facing me or facing away if you rolled back. And then just kind of notice the bottom one should already be burning, and then the top one is joining soon. 25 more. As we go up and down, just start to notice the outsides of those hips and how they respond. And if you have one side that's super different than the other, because that's also super normal. Good. Stay with this. Last 10, 9, 8. Get ready for those leg lifts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep that leg right there, and then reach it out. And we're just gonna go forward and forward, just a little movement forward. This is gonna teach our hip to stay forward instead of roll backwards, all right? And then I want you to pause right there. You're gonna take that leg up and down, and really find your belly, find your fire. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, we're gonna go with circles in 3, 2, I already feel it, let's go backwards. 4, make them big. 3, 2, let's go forward. 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Good. From there, we're gonna slowly start to flip over onto our backs. All right, this is your finisher right here. So as you lay down, you should feel the outsides of your hips and your glutes. Go ahead and raise up, push out, bring it in, and come down. So it's up, out, in, down. You have 4 more. Up, out, in, down. Last 3, up, out, in. Last 2, up, out, in, down. Last 1, up, out, in. Stay up, raise your heels up, walk your toes in, walk your toes out. Walk them in, walk them out. Good. In and out, and in, and out. You're almost there for 4, and out. 3, and out. Stay on the balls of those feet. 2, stay up on the balls of the feet, lift up, and then glute march on the balls of your feet. The outsides of your hips should be on fire from that other work, and you should feel your booty. Good. For 4, you're almost there. 3, stay with it. 2, bring your heels down, and then just 4, lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug your knees in nice and tight. Good. Feel the work in those legs. Maybe repeat this video. This is a great thing to pair with another workout. So maybe you paired that with one of the core workouts in our videos, or maybe possibly a yoga class, or maybe you just went for a run, and then right after your run, you wanted to keep firing your tail. So awesome work. Keep it up. And if you have any questions about more butt work, feel free to comment below.